Hello students, how are you all? So I hope you all are fine. So students, as you know, we are doing fractions chapter. So today our topic is reducing a fraction to its lowest or simplest form. Okay, so let's start. So I'm taking here one example. Reduce 6 by 18 to the lowest term or to the simplest term. Okay, lowest and simplest one and the same thing. So let's start. So 16 over 80, sorry, 6 over 18. How to reduce this fraction into lowest or simplest form? So first we will observe this fraction and we will find out the lowest common factor. Okay, first we will find the lowest common factor. So you can see both these are even numbers, so it means both have common table as 2. Okay, both have common table as 2. So we will divide numerator also with 2 and denominator also with 2. Okay, so when we divide 6 with 2 we get 3. How? In 2's table you have to see in 2's table where 6 comes. So 2 3s are 6, so 3. In 2's table where 18 comes, 2 9s are 18, so 3 over 9. Okay, now if you observe again this fraction, you can see that again there is one common table, both comes in 3's table. Okay, so in next step we will divide it with 3, both numerator and denominators. Okay, whenever we multiply or divide, we do that operation with both numerator and denominators. This is the condition of fractions. Okay, to so that their parts should remain same, that's why. So now we are dividing with 3. So in 3's table when 3 comes, 1s are. In 3's table when 9 comes, 3s are. So 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So 1 over 3. Now if you observe this fraction again, so you can see now there is no common table between these two numbers. So when there is no common table, it means that is our answer. It means this is the lowest form of this. Further we cannot simplify it. So this is the simplest form of this. Clear? So I am taking next one more example. So 12 over 18. So again both are even numbers, so both will be divided with 2. So when there are two even numbers, so just divide it with 2 because all even numbers are divided by 2. So in 2's table when 12 comes, 2 6 are 12. So 6, 2 9s are 18. Okay, so again you can see one more common table, 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So we will divide these fractions till we get the simplest form, till we get the fraction where there is no common table between numerator and denominator. Okay, so I am taking one more example. Next is 24 over 36. Students, after doing these sums, when you will have enough practice, you can do this sum by other method also. Okay, by dividing both these numbers with their highest common factor. Okay, if you know the table, if that 24 over 36 both comes in 12's table, we can start with 2 also, 2 then 3 then so on, but we can do it in with this method also. Okay, so 24 over 36, so 12 is the common table, so we will divide it with 12. So 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36. So in one step this sum will be over because we have divided with the highest common factor. I hope it is clear to all. Thank you students. Have a nice day.